Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Friday. Yes, last working day of the week. Friday, September the 8th, 2023. We have two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block, in Japanese, Sudoku. And we have in this daily newspaper also an additional with extra puzzles. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And what's the news of today? Well, I believe Holland has played a match, soccer match against Greece, and we won with 3-0. It's the European Championship qualification. Yeah, so we have won the match. That's the news of today. Well, let me start with the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number. Let me zoom this out. Yeah. Number 5, 7. No, 7, 5. Let me see which number it will be. I believe 70. 58, yeah, 7058. 7058. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in the additional it will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, we will see if this is really a 1 star puzzle, so let's get started. 8, 7, 8, and a 9. Okay, Well. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes here. 7 in the last column. No 7 in that box, so 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the 1 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 1 in this column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s. missed one in this row, one in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for one should be here or there. We see one in the middle column, no one there, one should be there. Now I can count, and all the ones are used. I can see digit number one. 4. Two. 7 in this column, last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for them is the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 8. We have a pair. The 5 and 8 in the first row, the 5 and 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only two places left for the 5 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have 3 and a 6 in the first row, so no 3 and a 6 in these two boxes. So 3 and a 6 in this big square. Could be here, could be there. As a pair, yeah, 3 and a 6. So the other pair, the last pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 9 goes there. Alright, so 1 digit left in this first row for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 7. Okay. 9 and the 4. 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4. Then 6. 5. Need an 8. Well. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in one of those two boxes in this last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And yeah, I cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. 2, 3. 2. 7, 1. Oi. Need a 9 here. 9 in the last row, 9 in a row above. So that row, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Need a 9 there. Cannot continue with the 9 now. How about 6. 2, 2, 3, 5. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, if we have a 3 and a 5 in this column, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this last column for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Alright. Let me think. 2 and 6. 2, 6 and the 3. Wow. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there. Well, we have 1 box left in this column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 5 and 8, we have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. So we have 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1. The 2 is missing, the same numbers I believe. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Well, told you need to be faster than 50 minutes. So we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the other regular puzzle, the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.